y'all.
Mommy, here.
Thanks. It's okay. My husband's making breakfast for the kids. I'm trying to make my stuff so I can get out the door because the post office closes in an hour and I'm still at home. So, multi.
Yeah, I thought I told you guys.
Energy. You can help me cook breakfast tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. 2 apple ciders. 2 super greens. It doesn't work no more because you shoved the Play-Doh in it, Brooklyn, or AJ. All 4.
You got towels here.
Fat burner.
You got towels.
Oh, Kamara's almost my height. Kamara. I'm not short. Y'all are just like, you keep growing. And I don't know why.
Uncle Will.
Oh yeah. Y'all got my dad's height.
I'm glad. All Dad's family is short.
You're still growing.
Yeah.
You like your height.
And
Wait,
I want to
stay
stay
there.
this height forever.
I grew 2 inches since last year.
I think the tallest I'm gonna get is like 5'6", maybe like 5'8".
2 shots of espresso into my
I don't know if I'm gonna grab
chocolate
that.
shake.
Hogs make you so much
Creamer.
creamer. Cause look,
That's my shake.
I don't know if I tried
Doesn't it look like coffee? I mean, it is coffee. Alright, I gotta go. I'm gonna go to the post office.
We'll be right back. We're going to the store now.
Can I have a hug, kiss?
Now we are back in Target again. We went to the post office and now we're in Target and Kamara's doing her signature dance. And they wanted macaroni and cheese and chicken nuggets. Willow needed food. Getting some stuff to top off to make a Father's Day breakfast for my husband. Bananas for the waffles. I'm gonna make French toast with that. The girls always make cinnamon rolls on Father's Day, and we need eggs, and he needed brown sugar for his oatmeal. That's for little Willow.
All seriousness?
And now they're looking at music, and we're gonna go home.
Kamora, how much money do you have in your card?
$45.
cash if you buy
I don't
this
like
from me.
cash.
Kamora, I don't have any money on my
I'll
cash
get
app.
it if you give me the cash.
Really? You love me that much?
Bro,
You're
I
a
do
mom,
it
you
every
ask your
time.
sister?
Every time you ask me, I do it.
Wait, mommy, can I talk?
It's not a dope ring.
Okay, guys. Y'all are gonna convince my mom to get me Starbucks.
What?
Huh?
I have cash.
You
I've seen this man before. Where have I seen
friends? It's Chandler Bing. Alright, so I feel like, well, today I've just been like working and doing some house chores, but I haven't really cooked or eaten anything. And I've realized that because it's 6 o'clock and I was like, I haven't recorded anything today but my shake and Target, and like then I just came home and started working after the post office, so I haven't cooked. My kids ate some macaroni and cheese and some chicken nuggets that I made them, but like my husband had a sandwich with the chicken in it. But I realized I haven't like been, I don't know, it's like a weird funk. It's a funk. I've been in a funk all week and I realized that, and I felt like I just needed to come on here and say that I realize I've been a funk and these videos are funky. And so I was thinking to myself, like, there's nothing valuable in these videos this whole week. But then I had to realize, like, it kind of is, because it shows, like, not everyone is perfect. Not every day is going to be perfect. Not everyone's always going to feel great. And, like, that's real life. And so many people make it seem like you're a failure if you're not doing what you know, if you're not consecutive, like, on spot on every single day. And I guess I'm just showing that, you know, like, it's real life and we're not perfect, and it's okay to not be perfect, and it's okay to not be okay. I don't know if it's like because it's Father's Day week. I don't know. I think it's a mix of everything. First of all, Aunt Flo wanted to come. Second of all, my friend lost her husband which is my daughter's boyfriend's dad. So it's like all connected in a weird way, and like emotions, and it's Father's Day week and they lost him, and then it like brings back of the feelings that I felt when I lost my dad young. It's just, I don't know, it's like just so much in my brain and working hard, and you know, like entrepreneurial life is like up and down. So it's just, I think it's just like a mix of all of that. It just threw me off this week, and I feel myself coming back to normal. Like I've been very like working today a lot, but I don't know, I just gotta get my head together. I gotta get my head right. Tomorrow's Father's Day. Of course we're gonna celebrate Father's Day. Monday I feel like we'll start over, and I can bring more. I feel like I'll be able to share more content with like food and ideas and all of that, because right now just the funkiness and the feelings and emotions and all of that is just really messed up my vlog. I'm still sharing every day, it's just not what it was, and I realized that, and I just felt like I needed to share that. Like, it's okay to not be okay. I'm still showing up, and I'm gonna do my best for you guys, so, and for myself, obviously, because the 100-day vlog is whatever. I'm still here. Alright, so I don't feel like eating anything, but I do really feel like having a cup of coffee again. I think like a night coffee is definitely a comfort thing for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have one of these and see where the night takes us. It is now 8:48 and this is what I'm making. So yeah. Okay, so it's late and AJ just wants me to hold him. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this very quickly while he sits here. Look at his face. Stop. Because he doesn't want me to not hold him. So we're gonna do calm. Two of them at night. More with her bread.
Good nights give unbeatable protection against with Good Nights.
Super good. I smell it. No, I didn't do. Apple cider. An alligator? 2 apple ciders. I like to take them because I don't like the way the apple ciders taste, so I mix them.
This is the white. Size up this. To the eerie.
Really?
To the eerie.
Yeah, I take 2 of the illies. Alright, I'm gonna take one of these. Oh, I'm gonna take one of these.
Down.
Yeah, this is the fat burger. Mommy likes these.
Take that out. Don't touch it out.
Shake up? I gotta take my treatment.
Also, I don't know where to put my mirror. I hung it up, but I feel like it's too close to my desk.
My Spidey. Say goodnight.
Night.
Night, Paul.
Night, Ella.
Oh, you're so cute.
Say see you on the next video.
You must be a.
Yeah.
Am I gonna hug? So hug you.
That was so cute. So cute.